The Earth has never been a static planet. It has always changed. Over millions of years, continents shifted, climates evolved, and life adapted. But today, something feels different. Temperatures are rising faster than ever recorded. Ice is melting. Seas are rising. Weather is becoming more extreme. And many of the changes we're seeing are happening within a single human lifetime. So what is actually happening to our planet? Today, we'll explore 7 major reasons why Earth is changing, and how each one is reshaping the world we live in. Let's begin. One of the most visible changes happening on Earth is the rise in global temperatures. Over the past century, the average temperature of the planet has increased rapidly. This warming is largely driven by greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane, which trap heat in the atmosphere. As a result, polar ice caps and glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense. What makes this change especially concerning is speed. In the past, Earth's climate shifted over thousands of years. Today, similar changes are happening in decades. This rapid warming makes it difficult for ecosystems, animals, and even humans to adapt. Climate change is not a distant future problem. It's already happening. The human population has grown dramatically. Just 200 years ago, fewer than 1 billion people lived on Earth. Today, there are over 8 billion. This rapid growth has placed unprecedented pressure on the planet's land, water, and natural resources. As populations grow, cities expand. Forests are cleared for housing. Wetlands are drained. Natural landscapes are replaced by concrete, roads, and infrastructure. Urban expansion changes local climates, creating heat islands. Natural water flows, wildlife habitats. Animals are pushed into smaller areas or forced into cities. Some species adapt, many do not. These changes reduce biodiversity and disrupt ecosystems that took thousands of years to form. Human growth is reshaping Earth's surface faster than most natural processes ever could. Forests play a critical role in stabilizing Earth's climate. Forests are not just collections of trees. They are complex ecosystems that regulate climate, store carbon, protect soil, and support more than 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity. Yet every year, millions of hectares of forest are destroyed. Deforestation happens for agriculture, logging, mining, infrastructure development. When forests disappear, carbon stored in trees is released into the atmosphere. Rainfall patterns change. Soil becomes vulnerable to erosion. When forests are cut down, the impact is immediate and long-lasting. Entire ecosystems can collapse. Once a forest is gone, it can take centuries to fully recover, if it recovers at all. Deforestation doesn't just remove trees. It dismantles entire ecosystems that took millions of years to evolve, changing the planet in ways that are often irreversible. If you're finding this video interesting, take a moment to like and subscribe to World in 7. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep creating videos that explore how our planet works and how it's changing. Now, let's continue. Earth's ice is disappearing. Glaciers and ice sheets in Greenland, Antarctica, and mountain regions worldwide are melting at accelerating rates. This leads to rising sea levels, which threaten coastal cities, island nations, low-lying communities. Entire communities may be forced to relocate, as homes, roads, and farmland are submerged. Small island nations are among the most vulnerable. with some at risk of becoming uninhabitable within decades. Even small increases in sea level can cause more flooding, stronger storm surges, saltwater intrusion into freshwater supplies. For millions of people, these changes are not theoretical. They are already affecting homes, food supplies, and entire ways of life. Earth's atmosphere is becoming more unstable. As oceans warm and air temperatures rise, more energy is stored in the climate system. That energy is released through extreme weather. We are seeing stronger hurricanes, longer droughts, more intense wildfires, heavier rainfall and floods. While some areas receive too much rain, others receive far too little. Prolonged droughts are becoming more common, especially in parts of Africa, Australia, the Mediterranean, and Western North America. While extreme weather has always existed, the frequency and intensity are increasing. Events that once happened once a century are now happening every decade, or even every year. This puts enormous strain on infrastructure, agriculture, and emergency systems worldwide. Modern civilization produces massive amounts of waste. Plastic fills oceans. Chemicals enter rivers and soil. Air pollution alters atmospheric chemistry. These pollutants interfere with Earth's natural cycles. The carbon cycle, the nitrogen cycle, the water cycle. Microplastics are now found in the deepest oceans, the highest mountains, and even inside human bodies. Modern agriculture relies heavily on chemical fertilizers and pesticides. While these chemicals boost crop yields in the short term, they disrupt natural nutrient cycles in the soil. Scientists warn that restoring balance requires reducing pollution, changing how resources are used, and allowing natural systems time to recover. Pollution doesn't just damage nature. It comes back to affect human health, food systems, and future generations. Not all change is caused by humans. Earth is a dynamic planet driven by powerful natural forces. Plate tectonics, volcanic activity, orbital changes, solar variations. Long before humans existed, natural cycles and geological forces were already building mountains, opening oceans, triggering ice ages, and reshaping entire continents. Continents continue to drift. Mountains rise and erode. Volcanoes release gases into the atmosphere. Earth's orbit subtly shifts over thousands of years. These natural processes have shaped Earth for billions of years. What makes today unique is that human activity is now interacting with these natural cycles, often amplifying their effects. Earth is changing faster and in more complex ways than ever before. Earth has always changed. Change is part of the planet's story. But today, the scale and speed of change are unprecedented. From rising temperatures to disappearing ecosystems, from human expansion to powerful natural forces, multiple factors are reshaping our world at once. The future of Earth depends not only on natural processes, but on the choices humanity makes now. Which of these reasons surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to keep exploring the world, science, and the forces that shape our planet, subscribe to the channel. Discover the world with World in 7.